I realized I should have done this while I was recording. I should have been printing money, and I totally spaced it. I was actually supposed to print the money yesterday, but I was like, it was a full day yesterday. But this is what I love. The money comes in when I want it, when I need it. And I don't have to wait, or I don't have to wait for Square. I don't have to wait for a credit card company to deposit. And so I just got finished printing checks right here. You can see. And this stack of checks, I'll be, watching a little YouTube or TV or talking with my wife as I mobile deposit all of this. And this is the thing. All of that money is not just jobs that came in or anything like that. It's also interest. It's also the service fee or the percentage that merchant services. So when you look at that stack of checks, it is my profit. It's the credit card or the merchant services profit, and it's also the credit card profit. It is the interest that they would have earned. So I've kept all of that myself. And for anybody that's out there that looking at this saying, he's printing checks from people's accounts. According to contract, I want to make sure you understand that. According to contract, the contracts that we create, I'm able to do this process. And because of it, if you think, oh, it's a process I wouldn't want to do. I was like, you know what? That's fine, because you can lose the 2.5 to 3.5% because this takes so much time. And you can also lose all the interest. And you can also have collection issues. Now, understand this. I've been doing this process now for 20 years. And I'm at 100% collection. And that, when I say 100% collection, I'm talking about 100% collection, including merchant fees, including the credit card interest that Visa, MasterCard, Discover would have got. And here's the other benefit. It's immediate. So as soon as I mobile deposit, the money's there. So you can lose the 2.5, 3.5% that you're losing. You can also lose the 24 hours of time to get your money, what's left over of your money that they haven't taken. You can spend the time trying to calculate exactly how much they took out for your taxes and accounting at the end of the year. I don't have to deal with any of that. And I do it consistently, as much as possible. That's the way to set it up. So if you're interested, either click below or click below, above. We have a webinar that we're doing that shows you exactly how much money you're losing in merchant fees, in collections, and in credit card interest. It's all money that's at your fingertips. It usually calculates out to be anywhere between 10 to 30% of your profit that you're losing. And the only reason why you're losing it is because, one, laziness, and two, you just don't know how. And it's so easy to do. So click below, click above, click to the side, wherever you need to click. And let's help you get started in keeping that money, because our goal is for you to keep all the money local in your pocket, in your community. So we would love to help you out with it. Click on the link, watch the webinar, give us a call, figure out exactly how we can help you out. Now, last thing is remember that this is not for internet-based businesses. This is for small local businesses that do business locally. Your handyman, your electrician, anybody who is constrained by a geographical area, and that's all their customer base, or the majority of their customer base. Or those companies or those individuals that are solopreneurs or sole proprietors that communicate directly with their clients. So have a fun day. I know I am. I enjoy today. It's always awesome. And hopefully you'll be able to enjoy it like I do. Thanks.